What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Galaxy S25 Ultra that's not charging. So to fix this issue, first of all check your charger and cable. So if you are using a local company charger and cable, then use the original Samsung company charger. But after using the Samsung company charger, if you are still facing the charging issue, then restart your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like charging issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue while charging, then enable fast charging. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and click on battery. Now here in battery, scroll down and click on charging settings, and then you will see a fast charging button. So turn on this button, and after turning on this button, it will help you to charge your phone. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue while charging your phone, then the last solution is update your mobile software. So to do this, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now click on download option if you have any pending update. So after updating your mobile software to the latest version, the charging issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.